Meet Sarah, a 22-year-old entrepreneur who defied the odds and turned her life around from a challenging beginning to achieving a remarkable $4 million net worth. Growing up in a low-income household, Sarah's path to success was anything but easy. Raised by a single mother who struggled to make ends meet, Sarah faced significant financial challenges from an early age. Yet, through hard work, perseverance, and an unrelenting desire to succeed, she has transformed her life, and her story is nothing short of inspirational. Sarah's childhood was marked by hardship. She lived with her mother and grandmother in a ghetto neighborhood, relying on minimum wage jobs and government assistance to get by. While many of her friends also came from low-income families, Sarah felt the weight of her financial situation more acutely at school. Watching classmates with stable families go on vacations and wear brand-name clothes left Sarah feeling out of place. Her clothes were hand-me-downs, and she rarely left her hometown.
I grew up in a pretty ghetto neighborhood, and most of my friends in the neighborhood also came from low-income families, and so I wasn't really affected by it. That is until I went to school, and I would constantly compare myself to those around me that had a loving family, went on those cool vacations to Disney World, and also had nice clothing. While I literally had none of that, most of my clothes were just hand-me-downs from my cousins, and I never actually really got to leave my hometown, and it honestly sucked.
However, through it all, Sarah remained deeply grateful for the sacrifices her mother made. Her optimism carried her through these challenging times, and she found herself dreaming of a brighter future. In high school, Sarah and her mom finally moved to a better neighborhood, and things seemed to improve. At 15, she landed her first job at Tim Hortons. With a dream of becoming an airline pilot, she worked long hours and saved what little she could. But as Sarah quickly discovered, the jobs she held during high school weren't fulfilling, and the cost of flight training seemed like an insurmountable barrier. Determined to find a new path, Sarah began searching for alternative ways to make money. This curiosity led her to YouTube, where she discovered the world of online business, specifically drop shipping, stock market investing, and real estate.
I was a 15-year-old, I was very optimistic for the future, I had some savings, and I was doing pretty well in school. I wanted to become an airline pilot. I knew they made a lot of money, but the issue with this is you need a ton of money for flight training. And so I knew the only way I could make that happen was if I worked a ton of hours in high school. But the sad reality was I hated every single job I worked in high school. I had to sometimes work 40 hours a week while going to school full time, and honestly, it just wasn't fun. I tried to figure out other ways I could make money aside from having a job. And so just like any curious person, I went on YouTube and searched for ways to make money with the intention of paying for flight school, but it turned into much more than that. I went down this big rabbit hole on YouTube and I discovered this whole new world of making money online, and this was really interesting to me. I had learned about how to start a dropshipping business, how to invest in the stock market, and how to build wealth with real estate. At this point, I was like, screw being a pilot, I'm gonna make millions of dollars from my laptop.
By the time she turned 18, Sarah had started earning money from the stock market and became increasingly fascinated with the idea of building wealth online. However, societal pressures led her to enroll in university, despite her growing dissatisfaction with the traditional path. Feeling like she was wasting her time, Sarah made a bold decision. She dropped out of school after her first year. It was a difficult period. Most of her family members were pursuing prestigious careers in medicine and engineering, while Sarah felt like an outcast, too embarrassed to share her decision to drop out. The uncertainty weighed heavily on her, but she was determined to succeed. In 2020, Sarah found her breakthrough when she stumbled upon TikTok. Seeing small accounts go viral overnight, she realized the potential of the platform and created a finance-focused TikTok account called Sarah Finance. She started posting daily videos on personal finance, investing, and online business, and it wasn't long before her content began pulling in millions of views. Her educational approach stood out in a sea of entertaining content. Instead of following trends, Sarah focused on adding value, helping people make smarter financial decisions. The success of her TikTok account gave her the confidence to go all in on social media. What started as a small social media account quickly grew into a powerful platform. Sarah mastered the art of digital marketing, creating valuable content not only on TikTok, but also on YouTube, Instagram, and Pinterest. Her ability to educate and inspire others allowed her to leverage her audience and diversify her income streams.
I saw thousands of small accounts getting millions of views on their videos. I then realized that TikTok was this golden opportunity, and that's when Sarah Finance was created. I was one of the first people to create a finance TikTok account. I then started posting daily finance videos, and I instantly got hooked. My videos were pulling millions of views, and I was like so excited. I had so much fun making those videos. I genuinely saw myself doing it forever. It's cool because, I wasn't posting thirst traps and like dancing videos. Instead, I was actually educating people on investing and making money online. And not gonna lie, I was pretty good at it. People loved my videos, and that gave me more reason to continue posting content. I really felt like I was adding value to the world, and that's what made it so enjoyable and fulfilling. People would always comment on my videos like, "Thanks to you, I actually started investing in the stock market. I started a business." I seriously felt like I was actually making a difference in the world and helping Gen Z become financially literate. At that point, I went all in on social media, and I never looked back. Sarah Finance started off as just a small TikTok account in 2020, but it turned into something much bigger that is still thriving today.
Sarah earns between $50,000 to $100,000 a month from various sources. YouTube and sponsorship deals generate $15,000 to $40,000 monthly, while affiliate marketing and her own coaching programs bring in another $20,000 to $40,000. Additionally, her investments in real estate contribute $7,700 each month. By building multiple income streams, Sarah achieved financial independence at an incredibly young age. Sarah attributes much of her success to smart investing, particularly in real estate. She advises others to follow a similar path, stressing the importance of investing early and wisely to build long-term wealth.
I create valuable content on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, and I'm able to promote different products and services to my audience. It doesn't matter what you sell to your audience, as long as you sell something that provides some kind of value to them. And that's pretty much what I've been doing for the past 4 years, and I make anywhere from $50,000 to $100,000 a month. I want to be transparent with you and share where my income is coming from. From this YouTube channel and sponsors on the channel, I make anywhere from $15,000 to $40,000 each month. This amount does fluctuate a lot. I make approximately $15,000 to $20,000 per month from affiliate marketing. I make around $20,000 to $40,000 a month from coaching and courses. Lastly, I make $7,700 a month from my rental properties. I believe it's extremely important to have multiple income streams if you want to become wealthy. However, when you're first starting out, it's better if you just focus on one income stream, master that, and then you can start to diversify.
While others spend their earnings on flashy cars and luxury items, Sarah focused on financial security and creating a legacy for her future family. Although Sarah doesn't have children yet, she is already planning ahead, making sure that the financial struggles she faced won't be passed down to the next generation. Her disciplined approach to money and her drive to help others achieve financial literacy have made her a role model for her audience, especially for Gen Z. Through her social media presence, Sarah has inspired countless individuals to take control of their finances and explore online business opportunities. One of her key recommendations for beginners is affiliate marketing, a business model she believes is the easiest way for people to start making money online. Sarah even offers a course to help guide newcomers through the process of building a profitable affiliate marketing business. While she has achieved extraordinary financial success, Sarah is the first to admit that her journey hasn't been perfect. She has faced her fair share of struggles, poor choices, and personal challenges along the way. But she views these difficulties as part of the process.
Now, if you're watching this video and you're feeling lost in life, you're no different than me. I was in that exact same situation a few years ago. But I saw a huge opportunity and took it. If you're wise, you'll also take advantage of this huge opportunity. It's never been easier than now to start an online business and make thousands of dollars a month, thanks to the power of social media. If you're not sure where to start, I highly recommend you start an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is simply when you promote a brand's products or services with a unique link that you're given, and if someone clicks on your link and signs up, you'll make a commission. The best part about this business is you don't have to show your face if you don't want to. I know a lot of people like to stay anonymous, and so if that's what you want, this is a great option for you.
Sarah's journey from poverty to prosperity is a testament to the power of determination, innovation, and self-belief. Her ability to spot opportunities, take risks, and provide value to others has not only transformed her own life, but also inspired a new generation to chase their dreams. At just 22, Sarah has built a multi-million-dollar empire, retired her mother, and created a life of financial freedom that many can only dream of. Her story proves that, no matter where you start, success is always within reach if you're willing to work for it. If you found this video inspiring, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories.